Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. I wanted to make a card. It's just going to be this little hello there card, and the reason I wanted to do this is because I wanted to stick with that little black and white theme that we kind of had going on with our last card. And so I have a basic black base here. It is cut at in half at 5 1/4 by 8 1/2, and then scored at 4 1/4. So let's go ahead and get this guy all burnished down here. I wanted to tell you that tomorrow, or today, depending on when you're watching it, March 17th nonetheless, there is going to be free shipping. So free shipping on any order over $50. So if you're going to place an order, make sure it's at least $50 so that we could get free shipping for you. Okay, so I'm getting all this put together here. I have a basic white cut sheet for the inside so that we could go ahead and make sure we have space to write, because black does not allow for very good writing unless you have a nice white, gold, or silver pen. But we've got the inside there with a nice little border. Our inside is done, and this is going to be a horizontal card, if you will. Or is this vertical? I don't know. Horizon, yes. Horizon, so horizontal. That's how I learned it. So we're going to be using, again, the True Love, which is all in black and white. This is a very simple card, you guys. Just going to take some snail adhesive, or not snail, what's it called now? Stamp and seal. I've been away for too long. My brain has turned to mush. And I'm just going to leave a little border here, right at the bottom. And you are not going to believe how quick and easy this is. Now, then I have the die cut of a scallop here. We're going to go ahead and do that as well. Get that little guy on there. Now this goes all the way across. So this is at 5 1/2. And we're going to just put that right above those polka dots. Can you see that? There you go. And if it goes over just a little bit, just flip it over, get your paper snips, and cut it off. And it does not look like it's that much. In fact, I don't even know where that little sliver went. But there we go. We've got this little piece, which we're going to stamp. But then we've got just these two little pieces from the perennial. This is done in vellum, and that's going to go on here. And what I'm going to do is get out my little glue here. Of course, I can't just grab it easily. It wants to get stuck in there. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the Tombow multi-purpose glue. And we're just going to put a little bit on some areas that are going to make it stick, right? And some of the larger areas here. And if you get a little bit that comes out too much, just go over and grab it and stick it on there. Same here. I feel like that's going to come off a little bit. So I'm going to stick that right there. We're going to put this one right down. There we go. And once that dries, you won't even see it. But there we go. We've got that first piece down. We're going to do it again with this little guy. And on this one, we're just going to kind of go around the outside. Just a little bit. I don't know if you could see, like I'm barely putting any down. Just using all the residual. And then once we've got that, we're just going to put that right over here. Put put that down. Isn't that cute? It really reminds me of like Kate Spade kind of looking. And then I'll set that off to the side. I'm going to get my little silicone mat so that you could see that I'm stamping here. We've got that little hello there, and we're just going to stick with the black and white. Got that nice and done up. We're just going to stick that right on there. We've got our little hello there. Isn't that cute? And then, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our Take Your Pick tool. We're going to put a little dot right here and a little dot right here. And then I'm going to take one of the big dots and we're going to put that right in the center of that flower. I'm going to take some of my dots here. And put a couple, one on each end. And we're just going to stick that right here. And look at how cute that card is. Quick, easy, super cute. I mean, that just, like I said, screams Kate Spade to me. Let me know what you think. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of this, make sure you subscribe. And then you guys don't forget, here's my March host code. So if you order on March 17th, orders over $50, completely free shipping. So take advantage of that. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later. Bye!